Welcome to How to Wave. In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI for free in 2025. Start by visiting the official DeepSeek AI website in your web browser. Click on Sign Up and create an account using your email or Google account. Once logged in, navigate to the chat interface where you can start interacting with DeepSeek AI. Type in any question or request, and DeepSeek AI will generate responses based on its advanced language model. The free plan typically offers a limited number of messages per day, so be mindful of usage. If you need more access, check if they offer free trials or promotional credits. You can also explore DeepSeek's API to integrate AI responses into your projects. If you encounter usage restrictions, try signing up with a different email or check for any ongoing free tier expansions. That's it. Now you can use DeepSeek AI without paying. If this helped, share and subscribe to How to Wave for more guides.